Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video. I decided to play around by using cream contour, cream blush, and cream illuminator, all to create a really fun eyeshadow look, and it is so easy to do. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. I already did my highlight color on my lid and kind of used it to clean up my brows. And then I'm just using some of the translucent powder and setting my eyelids with that. Because we will be using creams today, it is especially important to prime your lids and have a really good base. The first product we're taking is Nude Cream Blush, and I'm using the fluffy side of the Eyeshadow Everything brush. And we're just gonna start off by putting this right in that outer corner. And just like in the previous tutorial where I used a cream blush as an eyeshadow, I am always sure to start off with a lighter hand of the cream blush just to make sure that I don't get too much, because obviously you don't want to go in with a thick amount of this and then have it get really creasy throughout the day. But when you just swirl your brush into the blush color and then apply it to the lid, it has so much pigment that a little bit goes a really long way. With this color, I am putting it right in that outer corner and running it directly through the crease, and then running it up and blending it towards that brow. This color I am taking is called Indigo, and this color is a contour, and I'm using the pencil side of the Eyeshadow Everything brush. So I'm going to start right at that lash line and get this outer corner nice and smoky. And so I'm just building it up right to that crease, and then just lightly running whatever is left through the crease. I'm going back in with the fluffy blending brush and some more of Indigo, and I am just going to make sure that everything is really blended. The contours are obviously a little bit drier, so they can be a little bit trickier to blend out, but they're still really easy. Now I'm dipping my multitasker brush, the big flat side, into the color Honey, which is an illuminator. And with this color, we're going to put it right on that inner part of the lid. And I always like to layer, if I'm using illuminators on the eye, I always like to do eyeshadow on top of them. They are definitely very creamy. So with my skin type, I do like to set the illuminator with some eyeshadow. But the other products like the contour and blush as an eyeshadow, I do not have any issues with them creasing throughout the day. So it totally depends on your skin type and how you prepare your lids before eyeshadow. I'm using that same large side of the multitasker brush, and I'm grabbing some of Sabrina, which is a perfect combination with Honey Illuminator. And I am literally just going to pack this on right over that illuminator, and you can tell how similar they are. Like, it's not a huge change, but it's just something that will make your eyeshadow last all day without any creasing. Just taking a little bit more of Indigo and kind of buffing out that edge where the two of the lid colors meet up and through that crease, and just kind of play around making sure that everything blends out really well. I'm taking that pencil side of the brush again and some more of Indigo contour right underneath the lash line, and I'm just going to bring it like halfway through to really open up my eyes and just kind of blend it down. Final step is to take that flat brush again and some of Honey Illuminator and just pop that right in the inner corner. Kind of meet it up with where we just did that Indigo. Once again, you can take that same brush and some of Sabrina and just kind of pack it on there. Just taking a piece of tape because I want to do a cat eye today, and most days I honestly do it freehand, but days like today where I want it to be nice and perfectly crisp, this is the fastest way to do it. I'm just using my favorite liner, which is the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner. And you can do your wing however you prefer it. I usually like mine kind of thicker on the lid. And then not too crazy of an actual wing. The lashes I'm using today are these, and they're the Kiss lashes in the style Midnight. It's kind of hard to see them, but they are super pretty. I have worn them a couple of times, so they're like starting to fall apart on me. That's what I need to do today. Go and buy more fake lashes. So you can see how like soft they are. I accidentally pulled out one of the strings, so that does not help. Yeah, usually they're a lot easier and faster, but got it. Can still do it. Alright guys, and here you have the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please hit the like button if you liked it, and also subscribe. If you do try this look, please tag me in those pictures. I always have my Instagram linked, as well as my Facebook page. If you would like to be color matched in mascara, check out the description for my email and just shoot me an email. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.